Hi, I'm Julia with the Healthy Kids program here at Blank Children's Hospital. Today I have Tennyson and Alex, and we're here to show you some exercises. This is our sliding sports circuit. We are going to do some box jumps. So you're going to have a step or a box, and you are going to just jump up on it with both feet. Step down 1 foot at a time. All right? Jump, step down. One more time. Jump, step down. Great job. Arm swings and circles. You can do your circles to the back, and then you can do them to the front. And your swings are just swinging them back and forth. Get those shoulders nice and stretched out. This is a chest press. For this one, you're going to want some weights, or you can just use things around your house like cans of soup, books, anything that has weight to it. So for this one, we're going to roll back, lay down on the ground. We're going to push our belly button down towards the floor. We're going to take our weights. We're going to put our hands in goal posts. You ready, guys? And then you're just going to push straight up and down, up and down. One more time, up and down. Good job. This is a hamstring bridge. So we are going to roll back onto our backs, and we are going to push up into a shoulder bridge. So we're going to push up with our heels, and we're going to push our hips up to the air like this. And then you're going to walk your feet a little bit back so that you can feel the stretch in the back of your legs. And then we're just going to hold it. You guys got it? Great job. Thank you. Our next exercise is sprints. For this one, you're going to want a lot more space than what we have here. Maybe go outside or in a gym. For this one, you are going to run as fast as you can for about 10 seconds and then give yourself about a 10-second cool down and repeat that a couple of times. This is a back fly. So you're going to want your weights for this. You're going to start by having your feet shoulder width apart. You're going to lean forward at your hips a little bit and bend your knees just a little bit. Bring your weights right in front of you, and you're going to lift them straight out to the side. Keep your knuckles up while you do it, and as you're doing it, you're going to want to pretend like you're pinching a pencil right between your shoulder blades there in the back. There we go. You guys are doing a great job. Thank you. For our last exercise in this circuit, we are going to do forward jumps. So it's pretty easy. You're just going to get ready, stand here. You're going to take a big jump forward, okay? Let's turn around and go the other way with it, guys. Ready? One big jump, one more. Big jump. Great job.